AI is like electricity. You don't need to understand how it works, but you do need to know how to use it. Andrew Nguyen, co-founder of Google Brain. Welcome to the AI-powered marketing show, where every day we investigate and explore the intersection of artificial intelligence with cutting-edge digital marketing strategies. I'm your host, Keith Bell, and if you are a small business owner, digital marketer, entrepreneur, you are in the right place. If you've ever tried using AI to generate marketing content or write social media posts or automate tasks, you know that your results can be hit or miss. The secret, better prompts. Think of prompt engineering as the art of speaking AI's language, giving clear, structured instructions so you get accurate, high-quality responses. Now, according to a report from Adobe Express, 46% of small business owners say AI has improved their operational efficiency, but 44% struggle to keep up with the evolving AI tools, and that's from a report put out by Adobe in 2024. So how do you master prompt engineering without losing time or money? And that's what we're here to explore today.
Welcome to the AI-powered marketing show, the podcast that helps small business owners and new marketers confidently build, grow, and scale their online businesses using AI, automation, and proven marketing strategies. Each episode breaks down complex AI-driven tactics into simple, actionable steps so you can attract more customers, boost sales, and stay ahead of the competition. If you're ready to unlock the power of AI and take your marketing to the next level, you're in the right place. Here's your host, Keith Bell.
So I want to start off by talking about some of the challenges of prompt engineering for the small business person. Number one, the learning curve. AI changes rapidly. AI will not replace you, a person using AI will. Gary Kasparov, chess grandmaster and AI advocate. AI evolves quickly and small business owners often lack the time to keep up. According to RevLocal, 44% of entrepreneurs say AI requires continuous learning, making it tough for small teams with limited resources. Example, imagine you're the owner of, let's say, a bakery, and you're using AI for your Instagram post. Last month, one type of prompt produced great captions, but today, those same prompts deliver bland, boring, unresponsive results. Why? AI models update frequently. The solution: dedicate 15 minutes a week to testing and refining your prompts. Follow AI news sources like OpenAI's blog or the AI PRM community. Join an AI-focused LinkedIn group to learn best practices. You can also listen here to the AI-powered marketing show where we put out tips all the time. You can also go to our YouTube channel, Funnellosophy.com. Number two, uncertainty about AI's long-term viability. Now, I'm 61 years old and I've seen technology that has come and has stayed, but I've also seen technology that has come and gone. I give you the VHS tape, Blockbuster Video, both pretty much gone. I think there's one Blockbuster Video left in this country. AI is definitely moving faster than we ever imagined, and businesses must keep up. Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google. Many small business owners hesitate to fully invest in AI-powered marketing because they will fear it will become obsolete. 33% say they are unsure about AI's long-term value. So, for example, a real estate agent invests in AI-powered ad copywriting, but a few months later, a new AI update requires them to relearn everything. This uncertainty makes some small businesses hesitant to commit. Instead of full adoption, start small. Use AI in just one area. Maybe use it to write your blogs or set up your customer service FAQs and chatbot. Focus on fundamentals like clear, structured instructions, which will stay relevant as AI tools change. Challenge number 3, cost and time constraints. AI can save time, but only if it's used correctly. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI. AI marketing tools promise efficiency, but 24% of small business owners say training employees on AI takes too much time. Unlike large corporations with dedicated AI teams, a small business juggles multiple responsibilities. For example, a local gym owner wants AI to generate newsletters, but spends hours tweaking his prompts, wasting time instead of saving time. Instead, use pre-built AI templates from tools like Jasper or Copy AI. Build your own templates and save them in a Notion datasheet. Implement step-by-step automation with platforms like Make.com.
Hey, digital marketers, entrepreneurs, and tech enthusiasts. Ready to elevate your AI game? Check out the AI-Powered Marketer newsletter from Keith Bell, host of the AI-Powered Marketing Show. The AI-Powered Marketer newsletter is your go-to resource, packed with actionable insights, cutting-edge tools, and the latest news in AI and digital marketing. Whether you're optimizing sales funnels, exploring new AI strategies, or staying ahead of industry trends, this newsletter has you covered. Don't miss out on the chance to supercharge your marketing efforts. Subscribe now. Just click the link in the show notes to sign up today, and remember, the future of marketing is here and it's powered by AI. See you in the newsletter.
Number 4, integration challenges with existing systems. Technology must be invisible. It should integrate seamlessly into your business's workflows. Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. For 23% of small businesses, integrating AI into existing tools and workflows is frustrating. Example, boutique owner tries to connect an AI chatbot to their email marketing software, but the integration fails, leading to missed customer inquiries, angry customers, and failed connections. Solution: use automation tools like Zapier or Make to bridge AI tools with your CRMs. Start with low-risk areas like your social media captions, content repurposing, before you start expanding company or business-wide. Number 5, talent shortages. Who the heck understands this AI anyway? AI is only as good as the people using it. Kai-Fu Lee, AI expert and author of AI Superpowers. 22% of small business owners struggle to hire employees with AI expertise. That comes from LinkedIn 2024. Example, a restaurant owner wants AI-generated menu descriptions, but doesn't have the staff that know how to optimize their prompts. Solution: train existing employees on basic AI skills. Use low-code tools like ChatGPT's custom instructions to make it easier to use. Now that we talked about some of the challenges that small business owners face with prompt engineering, something that's changing on a constant basis, let's talk about the benefits of prompt engineering. AI saves time in marketing and operations. AI won't replace marketers, but marketers who use AI will replace those who don't. Paul Rotzer, AI Marketing Institute. Businesses that master prompt engineering report a 46% increase in operational efficiency. Example, a real estate agent uses AI to generate listing descriptions in seconds, cutting content creation time in half. And pro tip, use prompts like Write an engaging real estate listing for a 3-bedroom house in Austin, Texas. Focus on modern amenities and open spaces. Second, AI gives small businesses a competitive edge. The ability to ask the right questions is more valuable than having all the answers. Clayton Christensen, Harvard business professor. By learning better prompts, small businesses create higher quality content faster than their competitors. So, for example, a coffee shop owner uses AI for Instagram captions. Enjoy a warm latte on this chilly morning. What's your go-to coffee order? This is engaging and conversational. A more generic, uninspired, and bland response might be, we sell coffee, buy now. Number 3, AI enhances decision-making. And we've talked on this show many times about data-driven decision-making. Data is the new oil, but AI is the engine that refines it. Bernard Marr, AI and tech futurist. AI analyzes trends and customer data. If prompted correctly, it knows what you want. Example, a clothing boutique owner asks, analyze the last 6 months of sales and suggest which styles I should focus on for next season. AI provided data-driven insights, making inventory management for this small business owner smarter. So, in conclusion, is prompt engineering worth it? Is it worth it for small business owners to learn a technology that is always evolving and always growing and always changing? I submit yes. Mastering prompt engineering isn't just about AI. It's about using it correctly. The challenges are real, from learning curves to integration issues, but the benefits far outweigh the downsides. My suggestion, start small. Refine your prompts and experiment. AI is a tool, not a replacement for human creativity. It works best when paired with human expertise. Thank you for listening to the AI-powered marketing show today, and I'm happy to announce that we are getting ready to launch our clear prompting method. This is relevant to the topic we just talked about today. I have a free 3-day training that is available for you. I will include a link in the description. Our clear prompting system will be launching on March 15th. This free 3-day training will give you a little bit of advanced insight into what we have built. Thank you, and as always, stay innovative, stay integrative, and stay ahead of the curve. Take care, and I'll see you in the next episode of the AI-Powered Marketing Show. Take care.